Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use Gmail stars to better email organization, which basically marks them as important. So it's a good reminder to remind you to check out that email later. I'll show you guys how to do it. All you have to do is just click on this star icon over here. This is not starred before. Just click on the star icon that has been starred, guys. The star will lights up yellow. It means that is stored. Yeah, good reminder to check that email later in a day or a week later. So if you want to check out your starred items later, you just need to click on this star on the left side. Now you can able to see all of the stored emails in here that are starred. That's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.